Have you ever seen a transparent animal? Say hello to the glass frog. A tiny creature that looks more like magic than reality. Its skin is so clear that on its belly you can see the heart beating. And sometimes even the liver and stomach, like a living X-ray. These tiny frogs, often no bigger than your fingertip, live high in the trees near streams across Central and South America. And although they look delicate, scientists use them as a window into how organs work in real time. Even more surprising, in certain species, the father stays behind to guard the eggs until they hatch your paternal care in the world of frogs. Small, transparent, and utterly fascinating. The glass frog is proof that nature loves to show off a little magic. Hit that follow and like, so you'll always be the first to unlock the next mind-blowing fact.
Have you ever heard about the real-life mystique? Meet the Mimic Octopus, a real-life shapeshifter living in the warm waters of Indonesia. This incredible creature can imitate over 15 marine species, transforming into a sea snake, a lionfish, or even a flatfish in seconds. It uses special skin cells called chromatophores to change color and texture, and its boneless, flexible body lets it twist into almost any shape. When danger comes, it doesn't run, it performs. Smart, bold, and fascinating. The Mimic Octopus proves nature is full of creativity and surprises. Now, tell me in the comments, which animal should I feature in the next video? And don't forget to follow and like so we can keep exploring this amazing scientific world together.
Meet the Solenodon, one of the strangest and most mysterious mammals you'll ever hear about. At first it looks like a giant shrew, but here's the shocking truth. The Solenodon is venomous. It injects poison through grooves in its lower teeth, something almost no other mammal can do. Even wilder, this creature has barely changed for over 70 million years, meaning it once lived alongside dinosaurs. In other words, it's a living fossil. And despite its ancient power, today it survives only in a few hidden forests of Cuba and Hispaniola, so rare. Many people don't even believe it still exists. A toxic bite, dinosaur-age DNA, and a population on the edge of extinction. The Solenodon is a true ghost of evil.
Welcome to part 3 of a series about facts you've probably never heard before. Meet the Shoebill Stork, a bird so strange. It looks like it flew straight out of a dinosaur movie. Here's something most people don't know. This bird can grow taller than a small child, reaching over 1.5 meters in height. And its massive beak, it isn't just for show. That giant shoe-shaped beak is powerful enough to snap shut on crocodiles. Baby crocodiles, to be exact. When hunting, the shoebill does something eerie. It stands completely still for hours, frozen like a statue, almost like it's waiting for you to blink first. Then suddenly slam, it strikes faster than you can react. And here's the weirdest part. The shoebill makes a sound that doesn't even feel real. It claps its beak together so rapidly that it sounds exactly like a machine gun. Imagine walking in a swamp and hearing that echo through the mist. Terrifying and amazing at the same time. Despite their fierce appearance, shoebills are surprisingly calm with humans. In some places, people can walk right up to them, and the bird won't even move, staring back with those piercing, prehistoric eyes. The Shoebill Stork, part bird, part dinosaur, part nightmare machine, and it's 100% real. Welcome to part 2 of a series about facts you've probably never heard before. Meet the pangolin. A creature so bizarre. Looks like a pine cone that learned to walk. Here's something shocking. Pangolins are the only mammals in the world completely covered in scales. But those scales aren't just for decoration. They're made of keratin, the exact same material as your fingernails. When threatened, the pangolin curls into a ball so tough that even lions can't bite through it. It's basically nature's armored tank, except tiny and adorable. Out for the wild part. The pangolin doesn't have teeth. Instead, it uses an incredibly long, sticky tongue that can be longer than its entire body, up to 40 centimeters stretched out, to slurp up ants and termites. Even stranger, pangolins can close their ears and nostrils while feeding so the angry insects can't crawl inside. But here's the heartbreaking twist. Despite all this natural armor, the pangolin is one of the most trafficked mammals on Earth, hunted for its meat and scales. That makes this animal both one of the planet's most extraordinary survivors and one of its most endangered secrets. The pangolin, half reptile-looking, half mammal, and 100% unbelievable. Meet Did you know there's an animal that doesn't die? Meet the immortal jellyfish. This tiny ocean drifter has an incredible trick. When it gets old or stressed, it doesn't die. It rewinds its body back to a younger stage. It's turning from an adult into a baby again. He can repeat this reset again and again, which is why scientists consider it biologically immortal. The secret is something called cellular transdifferentiation. Cells that change their identity and reverse the clock of aging. Of course, predators can still eat it, so it's not truly invincible. But if left alone, this jellyfish could, in theory, live forever. So do you think one day humans might use this same ability to fight aging? Share your opinion in the comments. And Dante, forget to support us with a like and follow so we can keep creating this kind of content.
Have you ever seen an insect carry a